Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with compare.com for bundling homeowners and auto, full guide step by step clearly. To register with compare.com for bundling homeowners and auto insurance, begin by visiting their website. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button, usually prominently displayed. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your zip code. Type in your zip code and then hit the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to select the type of insurance you want to bundle. Choose both homeowners and auto insurance options from the list provided. After making your selection, click Continue to proceed. You will now need to provide basic information about yourself. Fill in your first and last name, date of birth, and contact details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues later on. Once you've completed the personal information section, click Continue. Now, you will be asked for details about your auto insurance. Provide information such as the make, model, and year of your vehicle. You will also need to enter your driving history and any claims you may have filed. After filling out the auto section, click on Continue to move forward. Next, you will be asked to provide details about your homeowner's insurance. Enter information about your home, including its address, age, and type of construction. Also, mention any security features or upgrades that could affect your insurance rates. Once you have entered all necessary details, click Continue. Now, you will have the opportunity to review all the information you have entered. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, click on the Submit or Get Quotes button. Compare.com will now generate quotes for both homeowners and auto insurance options. You may be asked to provide additional details to refine your quotes. Once you receive the quotes, review them carefully. Make sure to compare coverage options, deductibles, and premium costs. If you find a bundle that suits your needs, follow the prompts to finalize your registration. You may need to confirm your identity or provide additional documentation. After completing these steps, your registration will be confirmed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.